Did you hear what just happened to the Davidson family in Scottsdale, Arizona? They nearly lost everything their family had spent 40 years building. And the scariest part? They thought they were playing it safe. But before I tell you how they turned things around, and the $640,000 move that saved their family foundation, you need to understand what's happening in the economy right now. Inflation isn't just high, it's sticky. Core inflation rose again last month, putting even more pressure on retirees' portfolios. The Fed has paused rate hikes, for now, but major economists are warning that stagflation might be the next big threat. And just last week, billionaire hedge fund manager Ray Dalio said flat out, "We are in the late stage of the long-term debt cycle." Translation? Markets are shaky, the dollar is under fire, and family wealth, especially legacy wealth, is more at risk than ever. Now back to the Davidsons. 3 generations had been counting on that $640,000 in their family foundation's retirement account. Originally built by Richard Davidson, a retired civil engineer, and carried on by his daughter Rachel, they wanted to ensure their grandkids could go to college debt-free, support causes close to their heart, and pass on a stable inheritance. But with their IRA heavily exposed to tech stocks and bond funds, they watched nearly 20% of it vanish in less than a year. Rachel told me, "We did everything right. We diversified. We followed our advisor's guidance, but no one warned us that diversified doesn't mean protected." That's when a friend told her about gold IRAs. She was skeptical, maybe like you are right now, but Rachel didn't buy anything. She simply downloaded a free guide that walked her through the pros and cons of rolling part of her IRA into physical gold, tax-free. What she learned changed everything. Now, before I tell you exactly what she did and how it gave her family peace of mind during one of the most volatile financial years in decades, let's quickly cover why gold IRAs are becoming a go-to move for family legacy planners. Here's the deal. Gold has historically protected wealth through every major crisis. 2008 crash, gold surged 25%. Dot-com bust, gold held strong while tech melted down. Even now, with rising global tensions, gold just hit a new all-time high, above $2,300 an ounce. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold is not just a piece of paper promising value, it's value itself. It doesn't rely on CEOs, politicians, or Fed policy to perform. And when structured inside a self-directed IRA, you can legally roll over part of your traditional IRA or 401k into physical gold without triggering taxes or penalties. It's not a loophole. It's a strategy Congress approved decades ago. That's exactly what the Davidsons did. They moved $640,000 of their IRA into a gold IRA, diversifying away from paper assets. And what happened? Well, when the S&P dropped again this year, they didn't flinch, Rachel told me. "I sleep better. And my kids know our foundation is secure, no matter what happens on Wall Street." And here's the most important part. She said it all started with downloading that free gold IRA guide. No pressure, no gimmicks, just an honest, clear explanation of how gold IRAs work and whether they're right for your situation. And that's the same guide I want to offer you today. If you're an American retiree with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, this guide is absolutely free. And when you download it, you'll also get access to a no-obligation educational call with a real specialist, not a salesperson. This is about protecting what you've already worked your whole life to build. Look, I know legacy planning isn't just about numbers on a statement. It's about protecting your values, your loved ones, and the future you've dreamed about. So if you want to explore how physical gold could help secure your family's foundation, just like it did for the Davidsons, take the first step. Click the link, download your free gold IRA guide, and schedule your one-on-one educational call. No pressure, no sales tactics, just answers. You owe it to yourself and your family to find out if this is the right move for you. And remember, the story of the Davidsons? It didn't start with millions. It started with one decision: to get educated. Make that decision today.